Somewhere in Iowa, quietly hidden in a field of dreams, there's a wondrous place that holds many secrets. It's a place of peace, an oasis of serenity. But only the fortunate ones will discover its secrets here in the Earthborn Rainforest. OJAYA, the martial art of deep meditation.
Prep Talk 1. Our first meeting.
You found it. You have arrived. Welcome to OJAYA, the martial art of deep meditation, here in the Earthborn Rainforest. I'm Sukaishi David. Come with me now on the adventure of a lifetime as we embark on a new course, an inner journey into the wild and untamed jungles of your own consciousness. A wondrous journey into the unexplored, most blissful regions of your own heart, on the ultimate quest for peace and happiness, and the sanctuary of your deepest self. Come with me now as we rediscover the long-lost secrets of deep meditation, and you experience for yourself the awesome power of OJAYA. Come. OJAYA is the martial art of deep meditation. Now, you already know about the physical martial arts, like karate, judo, kung fu, aikido. They teach you the art of physical self-defense. But this is different. OJAYA is the art of inner self-defense, the martial art of deep meditation. First, you'll learn how to protect your mind and your emotions from the constant stresses of life. You'll develop a kavach, an armor of calm energy, a blissful consciousness inside you that protects you wherever you go in your daily life. You'll develop a power of consciousness So instead of absorbing stress, you repel stress as you go about your day. When stresses attack you, like arrows coming at you from all directions, the strength of your consciousness overpowers them. Stresses just wash off you like a rain shower. OJAYA gives you a strength, a peace, a serenity that totally embraces you, even when you're busy with 100 things in your daily life. OJAYA raises your intelligence and gives you deep insight. And when you conquer your problems and you succeed in your life, you become a hero to everyone around you. You gain power to uplift the lives of others. OJAYA is ancient knowledge, rare wisdom, a different kind of meditation that's soothing and blissful, absolutely easy and restful. Your search is over. You found it. OJAYA is, by far, the most powerful meditation you'll find anywhere. And now, we'll show you why.
OJAYA Deep Meditation is the simplest, the easiest, the most powerful, and most blissful meditation you'll find anywhere. Join Sukaishi David in the Earthborn Rainforest online classroom.
You just watch the video and take the quiz, and you're done.
Sukaishi shows you secrets of deep meditation that were forgotten for centuries. Sukaishi compares meditation methods taught today in schools around the world. You'll learn how these methods have been watered down over the centuries and why they no longer qualify as deep meditation. You'll learn to avoid common mistakes that prevent you from resting deep in meditation. Do you now practice any meditation technique? If so, is your meditation easy, effortless, and energizing? As you meditate, are you calm, serene, at peace? Whether you've practiced meditation for years or you're starting right now, completely fresh, the OJAYA course contains a wondrous knowledge that will uplift you immediately. If you wish to learn these ancient teachings, then start now at OJAYA.com. You never know what will happen next in the Earthborn Rainforest. OJAYA Deep Meditation. Start now.